Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 ways to warm up your gray home. If you have a home that was built or renovated in or around 2010, it probably has a little bit more of a cool colored interior. Cool colored flooring, gray walls, gray finishes, furniture, and a lot of white. And that can come off very cold. If you are now trying to warm up that space and really integrate warmer tones without renovating your home, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, I think one huge design mistake that people make is thinking warm and cool tones can't mix, but I truly think they should always be mixed. They should always balance each other out to create a very cohesive interior. If your home is feeling cool right now, that probably means you have way too much gray. Gray tone flooring, maybe gray walls, tile, backsplash, countertops, cabinets. Maybe it's all just too much. The best way you can really warm up your space is by slowly introducing ivories, creams, beiges, and browns. All of these warm tones can mix very nicely with cool tone colors, and it will actually make for a very layered, beautiful interior. Now, I think when people hear this, they're thinking, ooh, I don't know if I want to incorporate these saturated beige colors. But there's a great in-between that you can really incorporate, and that's more of a grayish color, gray and brown mix. That will give you a little bit more of a balanced look because these colors can really lean cool, but they can also lean warm. So really mixing in grays and taupes will really allow you to balance your space nicely. There's cool tone browns and then there's warm tone browns. And I think when you're working with gray interiors, you need to incorporate more cool tone browns. That will still give you a warm look, but it has that cool undertone to it that kind of helps blend your entire space. Now we're gonna get into it on all the small things that you should be adding to your home that incorporate those colors, but really keep in mind that is the main goal. Work in those cool tone neutrals that will allow you to get this balanced look. A small but impactful way of warming up your gray cool tone interior is adding wood accent furniture. Don't go and change out all of your main furniture pieces that might be gray because that's a huge investment. You can really make a difference with the accent pieces. So introducing wood, warm tone side tables, drink tables, benches, nightstands, accent chairs, and dining chairs. Really introducing these warm colors in an accenting secondary way with these small furniture pieces will make a huge difference and really allow you to build that balance into your home. If you have a gray cool tone bed, warm up the room with some warm wood nightstands and maybe a wood accenting bench to really tie the entire look together. You can also find so many incredible wood furniture pieces on Facebook Marketplace. So if you're looking for affordable options, sometimes even free options, you can definitely thrift your way to a warmer looking home. Now, one of the easiest, affordable, simple, small ways of incorporating warm tones into your home is simply through baskets and trays. Small items like this can go a very long way, especially when you're layering them in and around your home in all areas, like your coffee table, your nightstands, your bookshelves. Making sure to always incorporate something small and warm like this in your space will absolutely start to warm up your home. Now, things like this, like a little riser, can be layered in with cool tone items. So there could be a marble sculpture on top. There could be a cool tone candle. It can be layered in with cool tone books, but adding this layer of warmth will make such a huge difference. Also, notice the wood tone of an item like this. It does have some gray in it, which helps kind of integrate those cool tones, but overall it's very warm. So I love just purchasing small items like this. You can thrift them, you can find them at Home Goods. They're just super simple. Baskets are always another thing that I add to every single space because they're gonna add storage. I use something like this with a lid to hide remotes and chargers. It just kind of keeps clutter away, but it also adds a pop of warmth to any surface. So you can use small baskets like this on coffee tables and bookshelves and console tables, but you can also use large floor baskets for storage and storing your cool tone blankets and throw pillows. And just adding a little basket to the side of your sofa will instantly warm up your space. So if you have a cool tone living room with a gray sofa, gray walls, warm up that space super easily with a large floor basket. So if you're not out shopping for new furniture for your home, you can always pick up little details like this. You can thrift them, you can buy them brand new, so they're super easy to find, and it's also going to add a lot of texture to your home. Now, something else I notice about cool gray tone homes is the lighting. The lighting is also always a cool gray tone as well, which just overwhelmingly makes your home look a little bit blue, which ends up making it feel cold and uncomfortable. So you should actually do the opposite with your lighting. Even if your home is cool gray tone, really warm up your home with warm lighting. Always make sure to choose light bulbs that are about 2700 to 3000 Kelvin in temperature. That's what's really going to give you that warm, inviting light. Even in a cool home, this will instantly warm up your space. So I would do this with every light bulb around your home. Don't go cooler than 3000 Kelvin because your lighting will start to look stark and blue. Always warm up your home with warm, inviting lighting. So check your light bulbs because that might be the thing that's making your home feel a little bit stark and uncomfortable. Now let's talk flooring, because flooring is a long-term choice. So if you have gray tile in your home or gray wood that was very popular in 2010, you're probably gonna have it for quite a while. And I don't think you should go and rip up all your old flooring. It's very expensive. So work with what you have for as long as you can until the budget really makes sense for you. The easiest thing you can do is lay pretty much the largest area rug you can to kind of cover that up, but also brighten up your space and just create another decorative functional moment. There's so many great rugs out there that will instantly brighten up your home and add a lot of warmth. And they usually have a lot more of an ivory base. That's gonna give you this creamy, beautiful touch to your space. It's gonna warm up your space. It's gonna allow you to have that flexibility to add in browns and warm tones, and it's gonna give you that beautiful base for your space. I think you're gonna forget about your gray tone flooring when you have a beautiful rug. Another very affordable small item that's gonna make a huge difference around your home is just simply adding candlelight. Having flickering candles around your home with that warm glow is going to add warmth no matter what color your home is. So if you have a gray interior, add more candlelight. It doesn't have to be scented candles. They don't even have to be real candles. I love using battery-powered candles. I'll link my favorite down below. They're wax covered, they're on timers, and they just glimmer and glow like a true candle. But I love how easy and impactful a candle can be. They add a decorative feature and they can also add height. So tapered candles like this are a great way of doing that, and you can incorporate candles in every space of your home. Now, I find that a lot of the gray interiors also come with very shiny manufactured finishes. It doesn't feel very natural, it doesn't give off a lot of texture. So I think a way that you can really warm up your interior is actually through texture. And this can be done in the smallest way, even with decorative items like vases. I always try and thrift vases like this. Adding items like this around your home will instantly add that warmth. There's so much texture in them, there's movement. It just feels aged and weathered in a really beautiful way. So instead of choosing items to decorate your home that are also cool, shiny, and hard, go with something that has a little bit more texture. You don't always have to thrift them, you can also buy them brand new. A lot of these brand new items are coming with that aged, textured look because that's what's really warming up a ton of interiors right now. They look collected, they look vintage. This cool tone gray vessel is actually one of my favorites. It's very cool in color, but it has so much texture to it that it adds a lot of warmth. So there's so many great in-betweens like that. They feel like they're made of natural materials, which really gives off this warm feeling. Try and add in as much of that patinaed, weathered look as possible when it comes to all of your hard finishes around your home. It's going to add instant warmth, a ton of interest, and a whole lot of texture to your space. Now you can also warm up your gray interior by swapping out your hardware. If you have chrome or stainless steel hardware, it's just feeding into that cool gray effect. Those metals lean very blue, and you can introduce warmer materials to really balance out your space. If you want to stay within that silver family, I highly recommend polished nickel. It has this warm undertone to it, but it is a silver finish. So it really integrates well with gray interiors, but it also helps balance out any gold that you introduce. It's the perfect finish to mix metals with because it can really work with anything. If you want to introduce black, silver, or gold, it's always going to work. So polished nickel is perfect for faucets because that is that main hardware piece that is also in a space with multiple other hardware like pulls, knobs, and lighting. You can go for gold finishes, brass finishes, and again, if you're looking for a very budget-friendly option, rub and buff goes such a long way. You can just easily buff this into your hardware, your light fixtures, any kind of metal finish around your home to warm it up and turn it into an antique gold finish. And lastly, one of the easiest things that you can do, in addition to all these decorating tricks, is bring in warm tone throw pillows and throw blankets. You can layer throw blankets and throw pillows into so many different areas of your home, and it will add instant coziness and instant warmth to your space. So if your throw pillows on your sofa and accent chairs right now are also cool tone, swap those out, get new throw pillow covers. You don't even need to change out the insert, and it will give you a brand new look. Layer in natural linens and ivories, creams and browns. You can tie together your artwork and your rugs with your throw pillows, and it will all come together super nicely. So don't forget about these go-to items. They are super affordable. You can find them anywhere, and it's the most impactful small thing that you can do to your existing space. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on ways that you can warm up your space with small items. You don't have to go and renovate your entire interior to get a new look. You can really add to it in small ways that will make a really big impact. You should check out this apartment makeover video that I did that really shows how you can incorporate warm and cool tones together. The entire apartment was painted a cool tone gray, and we left it and really worked with it. So it shows you how you can balance out your space, warm it up, even with those cool tone colors. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!